I saw a Cybertruck today on my street, so for no reason I decided to do a Cybertruck edit. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah, they say he keep on evolving. How you so steady with it? They say he her pockets swollen. You gotta show me the shit. Better tell you how
I'm doing this shit. I got the devil on my phone. He told me keep doing this shit. Yeah, the devil told me how to get rich. Yeah, how many bands? 6 6 in a minute, that couple of big sticks. You better ride me like she on a rip stick. Yeah, they say what's that? Radio chest, I told her next to